This is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, and welcome back to the channel. On this channel, we cover all things to do with ham radio, particularly around my passions of portable, contesting, and DXing. So last weekend, I was out at Cape Tryon Lighthouse in PEI. Did a really good activation video to come out in a few months on that one. I'm a little behind on my videos. Anyway, it was the same weekend as the WAE, which is the Worked All Europe SSB contest. So I benefited big time from that contest going on. And I got asked a question during my outing there. The guy said, "Hey, do you have a QTC?" And I went, "What? Huh? What? What the heck's a QTC? I never heard of that before." Anyway, I did some digging around. A QTC is a report that gets exchanged mostly with European stations in the WAE contest. It's like a verification of a QSO. So you could do 1 to 10 QTCs. So one QSO or up to 10 QSOs with a contest station. And basically it's just an exchange of the serial number, what stations you worked, and the time. So for example, serial number 431 Delta Alpha 1 Alpha Alpha 1307. Serial number 431, the call sign of the station, and the time. And if you're running a software like N1MM, you just hit Control Z and it brings up all that information. And there you go. I never ever heard of that in my 35 years of amateur radio. Even this old dog can learn new things. Anyway, I'll put a link in the description for more information about QTCs and how you can use them and stuff like that. Like I said, I never heard of it, but then again, I never worked all Europe contest in the past. So and I wasn't working the contest, I was just doing a POTA activation. Anyway, this is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. It's a beautiful September day here in the Canadian Maritimes. The K index is 5, so I think we're gonna have a work from home, get caught up on some projects day. See y'all later, everyone. Bye for now.